several areas in Spain, November 2024.
Que se complica. Madre me va. Madre me...
¡El coche! Se lleva el...
Tot el camp de futbol ha entrat el riu ha entrat hasta dins del camp de futbol i per l'altra part d'allà.
Nos trae Julio Guerra aquí en Café Olé, 16 minutos. Julio,
por ahí arriba no para de llover.
Hay numerosas carreteras cortadas hasta ahora sobre...
Como yo.
So that is a tiny little ribbon.
The storm has hit the Catalan coast, with a storm front that has affected the regions of Tarragona in the early hours of the morning, and has moved from south to north along the coast, impacting the regions around Barcelona, such as Garraf and Baix Llobregat. As the storm advanced, the Generalitat has sent alerts to the mobile phones of the citizens of the regions of Barcelona, Garraf, Maresme, the two Vallès and La Selva, so that they make only essential trips.
La Rambla de la Cañada Gallego.
Civil Protection has issued a statement calling on people not to go looking for children who are already at school. From midnight to 1 p.m., the 112 telephone number has received 2,136 calls, a good part from the Baix Llobregat region, which has accumulated the most rain, 155 liters per square meter in Castelldefels, and 150 in El Prat.
¿Cómo que no, nano? Mira, ¿cómo se hacen todos? Si no hay ningún eco.
The storm has caused road closures on motorways, such as the AP7 as it passes through Tarragona, flooding of dual carriageways, C32, and Renfe has suspended train traffic throughout Catalonia from 10:40 a.m. At midday, the high-speed service was also interrupted, which did not run between Tarragona and the Catalan capital due to the flooding of a tunnel in El Prat. The University of Barcelona has suspended classes, and many health facilities have cancelled non-urgent activities for this afternoon, due to the difficulty of accessing the center, such as Bellvitge, Parc Taulí, Sabadell, Martorell and Viladecans. The CAP in Vilanova del Vallès has also been closed, and the scheduled activity of the outpatient clinics in La Selva and the Alt Maresme area has been cancelled. One of the towns most affected by the heavy rains has been Castelldefels, on the coast and near Barcelona, where the city council has cut off all the underground passages that connect the town center with the beach neighborhoods due to flooding. Renfe reported that high-speed trains were re-established. The progressive recovery of activity at Rodalies was not announced until 5 p.m. Incidents were also reported at El Prat Airport, where part of the facilities were flooded, and the rain caused delays to some flights, and forced the diversion of another 18 to Girona and Palma. Airlines have cancelled 70 departure operations, the airport itself reported.
Meu Deus do céu, velho.
The airport infrastructure has also been affected by the closure of its main accesses. The C32 road, reopened at 1:50 p.m., the suspension of train traffic, Metro Line 9, and the Aerobus. The Barcelona Metro has suffered incidents that have forced the closure of stations at some point, such as in the case of Liceu, L3, on the Rambla, or accesses to the St. Andrew and Roquefort stations. The State Meteorological Agency has issued a red warning for the Barcelona coastline, due to a cumulative rainfall of 180 liters per square meter in 12 hours, mainly in the Baix Llobregat and surrounding areas. It was in force until 2 p.m. The Generalitat sent a mobile alert due to continuous and torrential rain in the Barcelonès and Garraf regions at 10:30 a.m. on Tuesday, which was extended to the Maresme, Vallès Oriental and Occidental regions at 11:15 a.m.
Se está llevando el coche, Maoli.
Los daños que ha dejado hasta ahora.
Yo creo que eso queda pillado de provido, tío.
En los accesos a las capitales de varias provincias, por ejemplo Toledo, lo más.
The alert, in Catalan, Spanish, and English, calls for avoiding travel, staying away from streams and ravines which, even if it doesn't rain, can flow down with intensity, and also warns of the probability of landslides. The Meteocat Warning Department has also issued a note warning of maximum danger in the Barcelona coastal area. Rivers in the area are experiencing high levels of water this Monday. The Llobregat has reached levels of over 500 cubic meters per second in its lower course, triggering flood alerts.
Se ha quedado ahí, por lo menos. No han encajado. Pues se va a volcar.
Renfe announced early in the morning that train services were suspended throughout the Rodalies network. Only trains that completed a journey continued to operate until they reached their destination. Barcelona Airport was experiencing delays and incidents. A spokesperson for the airport said that, up to 10:15 a.m., 12 flights had to be diverted due to rain. By midday, 17 flights had already been diverted. The weather is also causing delays, and INA has recommended that travelers check with their airline about the status of their flight.